This is the bar at Drinkstuff of Boston. It's the mini end, it's the 18 ounces, the smaller end of your Boston shaker tin. Perfect, it's kind of what you'd use to put your cocktails in there. A lot of the cheaper sets are glass. If you've seen the glass, the sort of 18 ounce glass that you get with a Boston tin, something like that. Well, these are the tins. Basically, I do prefer that. I prefer these for like 2 or 3 reasons actually. One, that they're lighter. Two, that they conduct heat better, meaning that they chill the cocktails down better than glass does. And 3, they don't break, they bounce when you drop them on the bar floor or something like that. So they're perfect. As I say, 18 ounces, cheap as chips, perfectly fit inside the bar at Drinkstuff, sort of 28 ounce tin. The one thing I will point out though, just for pure clarity in all these, wrong end, you kind of look, when you've got the barfly stuff or Cocktail Kingdom stuff, they are generally a little bit thinner. So yes, they do kind of fit, but not a solid fit. You can see the massive difference between that sort of just fitting in and them properly fitting in. Basically, the bar at Drinkstuff range is a lot wider out of there. So that's a lot more universal in that kind of sense. But you know, they're cheap enough. You'll have seen me, I've got flipping loads of these in the studio. I've got flipping loads of them at home. 18 ounces, perfect size for your Boston tin on tin cocktail shaker.